Welcome. What I'm doing today is another Goodwill box. This one, I don't know if you can see, is from Corpus. Let me get this open with my trusty butter knife. Boy, they're getting harder and harder to open. Hope I didn't crush anything. This box has got a little damage on the edge, so I'm hoping there wasn't a lot of glass in here. The last two had a lot of glass beads, so kind of hoping there's no breakage. All right, let me tighten this up so we're not getting movement. Okay, so well, I was going to give you a first look, but it's wrapped up so tight. Not really going to be able to see anything. Okay. It's just a, let's see, where's the, I think it's like a 2-pound bag. It's not a big bag. Does it say anywhere? No, but I'd say it's about a 2-pound. Why it doesn't give the weight on here? It usually does. It didn't on that last one either. All right. Does it have it on this? This is an older one, I think. I had a pile of boxes sitting over here that I haven't opened yet. This was sitting on the bottom of them. So I figured I'd get to it today. Nope, it doesn't say how many pounds, but it's not a big one. All right, that's my single earring bag. Hopefully I don't have any. Okay, so this is Corpus Christi, Texas. Like I said, it's probably only about 2 pounds. This will be a short video. Ooh. Move it to one side. Yeah, there's not even very many things. There's one giant necklace in here. All right. Well, here's an earring. Hopefully the other one's in there. Usually when there's a card. Look at that. It's that faux amber and faux turquoise, but it's really pretty. I might keep those. What the heck is this? Is this a headband or a belt? Oh my goodness. That is a beaded belt. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful. I wish I had a waist that would fit in that. That is just exquisite. Get it up here where you can see it better. Look at that. You see how beautiful that beading is? Oh my goodness. Quit gushing over that. That's gorgeous. Not for me, but it's gorgeous. Okay. Most of it is this. Oh, I'm never going to be able to get this out. And hair's caught in it. That grosses me out. This is, they look like real stone. They feel like real stone. They're either real stone or glass, but isn't that pretty? I don't know what that is, but that's pretty. Okay, here's a necklace. Kind of a woven beaded thing. That's pretty. Look at that. It's a good shape too. No tag on it. It's a choker. It's really pretty. That's a stunning choker. I like that. Oh, I'm never going to get this one out. Okay, here's one on a card. The card says tint with a little teepee on it. I don't know what else it says. Lead compliant. That's pretty. And I've been out painting, so there's still a little bit of paint left on my hands. Look at that. I like that. I might keep that for me. For me. And here's a bracelet. This stuff is pretty. But it's got some thread caught on it, like somebody's sweater or something. Don't think I can get in. I probably could get in that one if I stretched it a little, but I don't want to stretch it out. That's pretty. Well, I'm liking this bunch. Is the Alamo. TheAlamo.org. So I guess somebody bought this at the Alamo. That's glass. That's pretty. Well, all of this is southwestern. Most of it. Oh, there's a little ring. I don't see any name in it. Well, and it fits me quite nicely. I may get a whole set out of this thing. Oh, everything's stuck up in this black. I'm going to have to get everything out from inside it somehow. Oh, come on, let go, let go. Let's see if I can just get it out. Get it over with. All right, come on, let go. Oh, I think I got it. Almost there. Okay. Just get this out of the mess here. All right, let's push that stuff up. This is one huge necklace. No tags on it. Look at how much necklace is there. Hangs down quite a bit, but it's choker at the top, and then it hangs down. You see it's got a hand width of more beads coming down. It's got a little bit of a bend to the bottom, but I think if I hang it up and let them hang, they'll go back to where they're supposed to be. Hold on 1 minute. Okay, had to stop for a minute. My neighbor came home noisy. He sometimes is noisy. His grandfather owns that house, and he pulls up with the radio blaring. So that's really pretty. I like that. Okay. Where is that? Oh, we're looking for the match to this, so let's keep that right there. All right, here's a card. It's missing one. But and once again, it's a kind of Claire's thing. I like these right here, though. I'll take those off and keep those. I like little ones I can wear that I don't have to worry about whether I lose them or not. Okay, here's the other one of this one. There's no back to it, but so I do have this set. The apartment 9, I guess it is. So nothing here silver or anything, but well, this goes nice with that bracelet. Yeah, matching set, bracelet and ring. That's nice. All right, now I have these dangly sort of dream catchers type things. And they have little, very light. Those would be very wearable. They're super light. And I have Like I said, nothing here is designer or sterling, but it's all quite pretty. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It's asymmetrical. Decent length, too. All right, let's get up here where you can see. Isn't that pretty? Like I said, faux turquoise again, but I like it. I don't know if there's, yep, there's two of these little leather Texas earrings. This stuff is adorable. It's been a long time since I ordered it. I don't remember. Cocopellis. This is that laser cut wood. Very light. Those are cute. Okay, now let's get this apart from all this other mess. Let's just unhook it. Like I said, there's not that much here. It's maybe a pound, maybe 2 pounds. Well, it's more than a pound. Maybe 2 pounds. Let's see if I can get this hooked back together so it doesn't catch on anything. Oh, come on. You can do this, Ruth. It's not rocket science. There. This is a pretty pendant. A no-name pendant, but this would go nice with that ring and bracelet. Oh, this is such a cute. I am just chuffed with this stuff. Like I said, none of it's designer, but it's all cute and all very wearable. Nothing broken so far. Look at this one. This matches the ring and the bracelet. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Got a nice chain, and all of it's in good shape. None of it's worn. I'm not seeing any, even, you know how the wear on the back of the chain where it's around your neck? I'm not seeing any of that. It's like most of this stuff is fairly new. Is there a, no there isn't. There's no clasp. So, how did you get in there? Oof. Well, let's pull something else out while we're messing with it. We'll go back to it in a minute. All right, now here's this big honking, oh my goodness. Now that's heavy. It's the only heavy thing I've seen in here. Those are metal, the beads. This is a copper brass, and this is a faux verdigris. Oh, this is cute. And it's got quite the long chain on it with a lobster clasp. This is cute. Usually when I start doing, I can see things and I'm like in my head like, oh, I'll take that apart, and I haven't found anything in here that I would take apart or anything in here that I wouldn't wear. Well, here's an earring, little dream catcher one. Let's hope the other one's in here. May or may not be. There's a mess here. All right, there's that. And somehow we've got to find out how to get this out from under that. Well, I don't see that other dream catcher earring. Oh, yep, there it is. It's up there. See, we have these. So we can get them untangled. They have a beautiful little blue stone. Well, those are nice and light and dangly and very wearable. Now we got to get this mess here undone somehow. This poor one is caught on itself. There, now we've got it undone there. I think we may have got it. Got this one that's got a very, very long chain to it. That's pretty. That's pretty. Still got a tangle over here. I don't know if this is all one necklace or... don't think it is. I think it's two necklaces caught up in each other. Yep, there we go. And here's this one. I'm definitely going to keep one of these necklaces, but you know, for the first time, usually I know when I get to the end, I know exactly what I'm going to keep, and usually I don't keep more than two things. But honestly, I don't know which one of these necklaces I want. Like I said, they're not sterling or gold or even designer, but they're also absolutely adorable. Here's one that's got a bunch of charms on it. Well, everything in here is kind of a theme. It's got a crystal and a horn with rhinestones, a key, another faux turquoise, a baguette, I guess they call that, a feather, a long strand of silver. Oh, that looks wood, and then a little stamped silver pendant. It's just on a long chain. That's adorable. I don't know what I'm going to keep. I don't know what was, well, my favorite is this belt, but oh my goodness, imagine how nice that would look with a nice dress. Or even with a nice pair of white jeans and a white shirt. It's got a little tag on it. And it says something. It says Cocabella. Cocabella. That's what it says. I'll have to look that up. I have no idea what that is, but this is so pretty, and it's beige and white and aurora borealis beads in there. Really nice. So, thank you very much for viewing my video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel because I got a whole lot more to show you. I really love doing this, and I want to be able to keep it up, but you know, you have to have subscriptions to go anywhere with this. And I will be selling this stuff on Etsy at a later date. Oh, like I said, I don't know which one of these I'm going to keep, but I'm going to keep something. They're so pretty. Look at that. Thank you very much, and you have a lovely day.